Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy StormX coin on Binance. What you need to do, first just go to Binance and log in your account. After that go here trade and then classic. And then on the search bar just type STMX. And you can see here you have it with different currency: BTC, USDT, BUSD. Now for example, if I select USDT, just click here and then just scroll down and then type the amount you want. For example, if I want to have 100 STMX, that it will be the total price in USDT. After that, just click here, buy STMX. This video is about how to buy StormX coin on Binance. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.